Hi guys, welcome to my online learning video, and in today's video we will be learning how to bisect and quadrisect a line. Now without any further ado, let's get into it. So we are given with line AB and we are required to bisect it. Now what bisect means is that to be able to divide the line into two equal parts. Bisecting means to divide the line into two equal parts. And if this was in primary school, you would have measured the distance and divided it by 2. But with basic technology, there is another way of doing it. Now this is how it's done. You take a compass point, measure more than half. It could be any distance as long as it is more than half. So we'll keep it to somewhere there. You put your compass point on one end and you draw an arc. You do the same on the other side of the line, draw another arc. And you do the same thing from point B. So now without changing the radius, put your compass point on B and construct another arc. Do the same on the other side. Now the intersections that you've got here and here, join them together. So we'll use a red pen. Remember in the last video I said red is construction line and blue is visible outline. So we'll join this together. I'm making it dark so that it's clearly visible in the video. Now what we've done is that we've divided line AB into two equal parts. If you want to measure, you can measure and check either with your set squares or you can measure with your compass. So this is how you measure and check. You'll take the distance there and you'll place it there just to see if it's same. See? So they're both exactly same. There you go. Now what you can do is label the point where you've got the intersection. You can label there as O. There you have it. Bisecting a line into two equal parts. Now similar to that, similar to bisecting, we have got quadrisecting. Quadrisect comes from the word quad. Quad means 4. So to quadrisect means to divide the line into 4 equal parts. And this is how it's done. Some of you might already know this. What you have to do over here is bisect it, and then once you've got two parts like the previous one, once you've got two parts like this, you bisect them further. We take more than half the distance of the line, draw an arc, and draw an arc on the other side. Don't worry about the line going on outside the border of the page, that's alright. Then move your compass point onto D, draw another arc, draw another arc. If you fall short of the arc, what you can do is that you can go back and draw the arc so that you've got a proper intersection. Now we've got two intersections, join them. We'll use a red pen, construction line, and we'll label there as O. So we've already divided the line into two equal parts. You can measure and check. Now we need to quadrisect it. So we will divide this further into two equal parts and we'll divide that further into two equal parts. Again, more than half. So this time it will be more than half of C to O. Alright, so you'll draw one arc there, draw another arc here, from O, draw another arc here, another one there, and do the same on the other side. So we've labeled it further as O1 and 2. And there you have it. That's how you quadrisect a line. So what we'll do, we'll measure and check just to be sure. There, and that's equal, and that's equal, and that's equal. So that's how you bisect and quadrisect a line. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them in the next video. Till then, happy learning. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.